So good morning, doctor.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Namaskar.
my name is Anil. I'm from Department of Physical Education.
Yeah,
The life of a teacher is in girl circumstances is quite different than in India because teachers they have to do many things. So physically as well as mentally, the teachers are like tired. So how we can overcome the situation? Like so much issues are suffering. Like from the school, the morning they will wake up. They need to do many things. They will come to the school, so they have to do so much work. So after the school also they will go home, and the concern is it's very simple. So much tension, anxiety, even so much post like even due to the COVID also the people are having so much like tension around it because people are staying here, like family members, everyone are in India. So much psychological like regulations are working. So how you can avoid like this kind of situation?
Sarin.
Yeah,
Where are you from, Sarin?
I'm basically from Kochi.
Ah,
So
where did you do
I'm
your BPEd and MPEd and all? Physical education, you said, right?
I'm familiar with you. I'm one of the students of Calcutta University. Even I was having a connection with Dr. Baby Shari. Even I'm familiar with all the departments there.
Okay. See, there is no problem in the world today. No time in the world there are problems. It's only we look at things as problems. If you are a person who doesn't have problems, you will find no problems. You will only find solutions for problems. There are two things which we can do in our life. I can either see problems and get worried, or second thing, I can see problems and find solutions. Tell me, is there any problem in the world where people can't find solutions? Everything is solvable, or you have to surrender to problems. If we are talking about problems, that means we are out of the problem presently, or we are thinking about the problem. So either you can get worried and then become distressed. Distressed means stress is a positive action oriented strength which you get. When I take stress, I will think about action. Distress is negative. It is called tension. Tension and distress, they are equal words. I remember going to, you said physical education teacher, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I remember going to PT Usha's training center and talking to, because I'm a psychotherapist. One of the biggest problem, all the running competition people, all of them keep saying it's a big trouble because every day it is tension. Their tension is, all of them are great running people, right? They are not in one school. But their problem is they are competing with the best in the country probably. Their colleague, their friends, the roommate, everybody is equally good because Usha selects the best and then train them to become the best of the best. After a few years, when I went to some of the schools in Nadapal, Kuttipuram, I have traveled all through the schools. I find these students running and coming to me and saying, "Sir, I know you." I said, "Where?" I was in Usha's school. From there, I discontinued, and then now I am in the school. And in the new school setup, she is the first in running because she was well trained. So, what is her success in a problematic area? Because she has already undergone a rigorous training. I am sure as a physical education teacher, Sarin knows. We make people to take more strain. I remember when I was trained for football, when I was in Calicut, not only running forward, back running, side running, everything is being coached. We have to do, actually, probably the training part is more rigorous than the playing. Why? Because when you are trained perfectly, playing becomes that's what is called a game. So I am trained for a game. The skill development is essential. Suppose you want to perform, there are three things required. All the three I mentioned now. One is skill. Improve my skill. Anything. Even if you want to be in any field, your skill has to be improved. Opportunity has to have. See, your school environment has to give you a beautiful opportunity, understanding everybody. Rules are not same for everybody in this world. Suppose somebody is living with a family. Suppose somebody doesn't have family with them. We know, okay, it has to be accommodated. I was also an administrative director, executive director of an engineering college, executive director of an international school. So what do? Is we look at each, what is the ability of a good administrator? He must be able to look at his staff quite well so that they are comfortable. If teachers are not comfortable, I am 100% sure they cannot perform well. So the good opportunity has to be created. Why this training program? I am 100% sure that is part of the administration deciding for them. I am sure this is not for mathematics, physics, chemistry. Exactly what Sarin asked is a problem for most of the teachers. You really pinned the problem. So what is to be done? That is to be addressed. Whether that can be done by advisors like me or by your administrator. There has to be a group of teachers like a grievance cell, a committee by teachers themselves. Under the recommendation, the school authorities, the school superiors must be able to accommodate and understand the problems. There has to be, assume that somebody is away from their schools. Somebody is away from their family. There are requirements by people. 100% sure if the school is closed and then you are not able to travel back. Last year also same problem was there. April, May, June, during the holidays, most of the Gulf teachers did not come back to India because they don't know what will happen. Indian situations are much worse. See, for me, I used to travel 360 days, maybe 5 days at home. Continuously on travel, giving lectures from Northeast India. Last 2 years back, all the years I was going to America. 6 months in America for giving lectures. This year I couldn't go. I used to be in Fiji, the Indian Ocean end, and this side all the Gulf countries. I must have visited all the Gulf countries. My last visit was in Sharjah, just before the COVID started, and after that I am isolated. Which is more useful? Which is what is make you happy? Sitting at home for a person traveling every day is, but what I am doing today? Today I am able to travel digitally at different places. I am utilizing the opportunity what is given to me, and that opportunity I am creating as a great gift given to me. So skill improvement, opportunity creation. Probably Gulf people contact their families, speak to them much more, guide their children much more than a parent who is living with them in Kerala. Because you need to have a good attitude. The attitude setup is not how much time you invest, how better you invest, how profitably you invest. That is more important. So I am sure it doesn't matter which part of the world you are living. It doesn't matter whether you are along with the family or away from the family. It doesn't matter whether there is a COVID or not, whether physically you are able to meet or not. I don't think that makes no difference. Last year, soon after COVID, when the vacation came for the Gulf students, I conducted a camp. Earlier, I used to conduct a camp in Kerala in my house, native house. In that program is called at Nanam, Jnaanam. But this year, that means 2020, when we had this vacation for Gulf children, I conducted a program. You can see that program is called Moksha. Not at Nanam, Moksha. So at Nanam was a physical camp. But in Moksha, I did a different approach. Everybody was working in their own house. I want them to cook and take a video and then send it to me. We also did a drama where people were from Kuwait, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. I think Doha, nobody participated. And we have from Kottayam, those people who after 10th came back to Kerala, those people, all of them participated. And they were all thinking that now in a room they are discussing each other. That's how we had the studio. And they had a dialogue when the patient goes to a doctor, there was some patient going to doctor. The patient is in Kerala and the doctor is in Abu Dhabi. But the dialogue were edited so well. Got it? So I'm sure you can always find a creative activity. If somebody is creative, irrespective of wherever you are, you can make a difference. And that is what is essential. Because only human being, any other animal, when they are put it in a wrong place, in a bad condition, they will suffer. But what is the ability of a human being? Educated people, they can change the environment with their ability. That is why we are dialoguing today. Is it not? So maybe I am 100% sure some of the physical education teachers and all, physically they are not there. But today yoga is being taught. Right? Maybe football match you cannot have. But I am 100% sure, I don't know, virtual reality games are so popular in America today, including their joysticks, and then their arms are connected with, and they also physically move. Their leg also need a connection. They can play football also. They will kick the ball. Physically they will kick the ball. But the ball is not there. Ball is virtual. I don't know whether you know that. You must look at some of the beautiful videos. I was part of strategic preparation for military people for war. So we have got a huge virtual system where soldiers are trained. Do you know the pilot is never trained inside the aircraft? Not today. 20 years back, 30 years back, we have got virtual system in which pilots are trained first, then they are put physically into the aircraft. Otherwise, flying, if you want to train people, training cannot be given while flying for a pilot. It needs to be simulated. So simulators are there. So today we have lot of game simulators. So I'm sure what technologically people used for advanced programs, advanced training programs in military area, they are all the blessings for people who wanted to make it usable today in any situations. So things are changing. Certainly it takes some more time, because 1 year is not good enough for people to understand the problem and find solutions. But keep while vigilant. Look at what is happening around. So nice, so happy that you asked this very pertaining question, which I'm sure is going to be useful for many people, not just the people who are listening to me now. I'm going to take this bit with your problem, question and the answer which I gave, and I'm going to circulate to all the teachers whom I met. I do it with thousands of teachers who are in connection with me. Those who stored my number, they will get my tips like this. So there are a lot of people, millions of teachers have attended my program at least, but a lakh of people I keep sending messages. So I put my number on my name, 9447437948. Don't miss storing it and then sending me a WhatsApp message for you to get updates. I'm sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for that beautiful question. If you are not satisfied, again you can have counters.
Okay, thank you.
Happy? This is not now. The problems were there during Ramayana time in Treta Yuga. When Rama had a similar problem, he asked his guru Vasishtha, and there is a beautiful sloka which already I interpreted, and it's available on YouTube. But the sloka goes like this: Purne manasi sampurnam jagat sarvam siddhadravaihi upana gudapadasya nanu charma strutaiva buvuhu. It is all in your mind, manas. You want to make it happen, you can make it happen. So the formula which I gave just now to Sarin is P performance is equal to skill plus A attitude, S skill, A attitude plus opportunity. Performance P is equal to skill S plus opportunity O plus attitude A. There are specific videos made on this and then posted also. The problem is opportunities are there, skill is lacking. Skill is there, but opportunities are lacking. And why these problems are identified and people suffer because their attitude need to be set. If attitude is perfect, then skill and opportunity can do wonders. And if you don't have, you can always acquire it also. So it's all in your manas. Wherever I walk, I will not get leather carpet. Is it possible? Is it possible for me to get leather carpet wherever I start walking? It is possible. It's very simple. Wear a leather footwear. That's what the lesson given by Vasishtha, the first psychotherapist, counseling specialist, who gave the lesson to Rama, Sri Rama, in the Treta Yuga, Dasharatha's son. He was Dasharatha. 10 vehicles were there in his house. Dasharatham means 10 vehicles were there. Lavish. But when Rama was in the youth, teenage, soon after +2, from beautiful noble school like yours, when he passed out, he had this confusion. He said, "Father, you don't know anything. You are not ruling this country perfectly. I am more educated. And I find the whole world is in problem. Nothing is working. As a king, you are not doing anything." Lot of complaints. Like any child would have given complaints against their parents. This was the same problem Rama had. They are not satisfied with the way the world is running. And immediately Rama was sent to Vasishtha. And Vasishtha was the psychotherapist, counseling expert. Vasishtha gave lectures. That textbook is called Yoga Vasishtam. In that, one of the most beautiful sloka is Purne Manasi Sampurnam. The whole world looks like as your manas is. As you cannot expect the whole world to have leather carpet. Carry a footwear which is leather, then the whole world will look like having a leather carpet for you. Purne Manasi Sampurnam Jagat Sarvam Sudhadravaihi Upana Guda Padasya Nanu Charma Strutaiva Bhuhu. Bhu is earth. Like you have kept a carpet, the feeling will come to you. Wonderful, sir. Thank you. I will remember Noble School for this question by sir.